So this is back behind the pantry slider, and you can see the wood rails here, and you can see actually the holes here, here, and here where another piece of pine should have been in order to mount rails. So these rails right here, there should have been another set of rails right here connected on both sides, just like those are to here. So what's happening, you want to go ahead and shut it for me?
Yeah, you bet.
So as he's closing it, it's difficult to close
Right
because
about
all
here,
the
you
weight
gotta really push hard to get it
is
in.
binding.
But it's catching on the bottom of the countertop right here on
And
this
then
corner. Then when you
it's-
pull, see, it's not.
It's causing it to bind because there's no rails that are
Yeah.
there,
Then you pull it out.
and then you're having to yank on it
Yeah, you gotta really
substantially to pull
pull
it
hard
out,
to get it open. Yeah,
which is also pulling it away from
it's
the
pulling away from the box.
box itself.
Right. Wow.